Welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're reviewing Popl, a modern digital business card solution designed to simplify how professionals share their contact information and grow their networks. Whether you're at a conference, a meeting, or a casual encounter, Popl makes it easy to exchange details instantly using just your phone. Popl allows users to create a customizable digital profile containing contact information, social media links, websites, portfolios, and more. With a single tap using a Popl device, or by sharing a unique QR code, you can instantly pass your profile to anyone, even if they don't have the Popl app. This eliminates the need for traditional paper business cards and ensures your information stays current and accessible. The app also includes tools to manage and organize your connections. You can track who you've shared with, view engagement stats, and even integrate with CRM platforms like Salesforce and HubSpot to streamline follow-ups and networking efforts. The user interface is sleek and intuitive, making it simple to set up and personalize your profile. Popl offers a variety of device types, from phone tags and wristbands to cards and badges, catering to different user preferences. These devices are durable, stylish, and compatible with most modern smartphones. Pros of Popl include the ease of contact sharing, customizable profiles, CRM integration, and the eco-friendly benefit of going paperless. Cons may include the need for internet connectivity for full functionality, and some users may prefer traditional business cards in formal settings. Overall, Popl is an innovative and efficient tool for modern networking. It helps professionals stand out and stay connected in today's fast-paced digital world. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutorialorbiz@gmail.com.